Anyway, may nagsasabi pala, hindi ko daw, matagal na itong comment na to, masasabi na, hindi ko daw sinasabayan or hindi ko daw pinakain yung biyanan ko.
Look, it is something else. What is this? Why is it flammable? Now? Thank you.
Make a wish.
Thank you, hon.
Yeah, make a
It's my
wish.
first glowing candle. My first time. Really? Yeah.
Hi guys, good morning! Today is April 4. Today is Friday? No, Wednesday. Wednesday today. And yeah, I just dropped my mother-in-law to dialysis. And yun lang yung ginawa ko guys. And then, papakainin ko ng mga junakits ko na really bad. Hi, tomorrow is my birthday! I forgot, but that's my birthday tomorrow. Tommy reminds me that I'm probably coming to your birthday. I said, no, you don't have to come. I don't want to see you in my birthday. I don't want to see you in my birthday, sabi ko sa kanya. But anyway, guys, good morning sa inyo. Lubat na pala itong camera ko. And papakainin ko muna itong mga junakits ko and then ako din kakain. Okay, kakain din ako, guys. Kailangan kong kumain, kumayod, kumain. Ano bang ibigay ko sa inyo mga bad girls? You think I'm gonna give you something special? There's no way. You just do something. Last night, guys, narinig ko sila tahol ng tahol itong si Roxy at saka si Misty. Tahol ng tahol. Ano na yun? 1 o'clock na ng 2 o'clock ng umaga. Tahol ng tahol. Sus, ginoo ko, guys. Hindi ko alam kung bakit tumahol. I think now I have to put it in my head that every time Roxy bark like crazy at night, that means she want to go out. I think that was Roxy's peeing or Misty. I'm not sure who pee in the rug. Luckily that rug doesn't go soak in the floor because I'm worried about the floor. Because if they ruin the floor and the smell will stay there. My fault because hindi ako pumunta sa baba at pinalabas. I think yun ang sign ni Roxy na gustong lumabas. And I'm still sleepy, guys. I woke up like 5:20 and I have to leave her like 6 o'clock to drop my biyanan. You know, yung birthday ko is usually normal, guys. Wala akong ginagawa pag birthday ko. Since I was, since I have my own mind. Until now, I don't have my own mind. Anyway, so usually wala akong ginagawa. Hindi pa ako nakatry yung mga make a wish, make a wish. Hindi pa ako nakatry ng mga ganun na make a wish, blow your candle. Never in my entire life. Never. Now, I'm 34 years old and I never experienced like, blow your candle, make a wish. Never. I'm 34 years old. Hoy, ginoo ko na. Habs, ay naku talaga bag. So, hindi ako nakatry ng mga ganon, yung mga party, wala. Birthday ko. Walang mga blue candle. Now that I'm 34, it feels like awkward blowing candle. Like, it feels like stupid to me. Honestly, it feels like stupid. So, because, I'm not used to it. So, every time I see people like blowing candle, make a wish. Just, for me, it's kind of like, in my thing lang ha, hindi naman tayo lahat ganun. Ito lang talaga yun ako kasi ito naman talaga yung kinalakihan ko. Hindi ako lumaki sa mga ganon-ganon, mga party, birthday party, ihaw dito, ihaw dun, inuman dito, inuman dun. Wala. Never. So yun. Siya lang yung kumain. Si Misty hindi. I need to protect the wood now, guys. Did you see? You can see white now on the wood. Yung white part. I need to put a chemical again to protect the wood. Because, yung nilagay namin na pang-protect sa wood yung may pagka-glossy tingnan. Na ano na siya, nakupas na kasi sa kakalakad-lakad. So, yun. At saka yung dito kasi hindi masyadong gamit. Andun pa yung sa protect sa wood. Dito kasi yung palagi kami lakad-lakad. Yun. Saka yung aso. Time for me to pick up my mother-in-law. Wow. Ano na, 9:41. So, 10 o'clock ata yung out niya. And I think, and meron akong nilabhan dyan. Ipo-fold ko yan later. And alis lang ako. Kain tayo, guys. Nagutom ako, guys. Anyway, nagluluto pala ako kahapon ng bihon. No? Sarap nito. Ang mga kasangkapan is ito siya, hindi ko alam. Snake piece. Snake. Hindi ko alam. Carrots. At saka spinach. Onion and garlic. Yun. At saka meron akong ham. Leftover galing sa sister-in-law ko. Yan. At saka rice. Kamay tayo. Masarap ito. Itong bihon, no, dito sa kanila. Ayaw nila mag-mix ng bihon pasta. Because pasta naman ito yun at saka rice. Kasi staple daw yun, papilit. Staple daw yun, ang tawag na. Yeah. Sarap ng bihon ko, guys. As in, sobrang sarap. Malasa. Nilagyan ko kasi ng ginisa mix. Sobrang sarap. Dumating si Roxy. Alam niya kumakain ako. Wala, tumingin. Anyway, nag-edit ako ng video. At saka, naglalaro ako mamaya. Red bell pepper din pala. Nilagay ko. Masarap pala spinach, guys. Ang daming spinach na nilagay ko. Maliit na lang yung maliit. Lumiliit siya. Ang dami. Isang bag yung nilagay ko dito. Sarap. Also ito sa atin mga tinda-tinda. Ilagay ng cellophane yung bag. Anyway, may nagsasabi pala, hindi ko daw, matagal na itong comment na to, masasabi na, hindi ko daw sinasabayan o hindi ko daw pinakain yung biyanan ko. O hindi kami sabay. Kasi iba kasi dito, guys. Explain ko sa inyo, ha? Mga tao dito, ang sabay lang pag kumakain, masurti ka may kasabay ka ng kumakain breakfast at saka lunch. Ang sabay lang talaga dito is dinner. Yun. Yung family sabay-sabay kain dinner. Hindi lahat naman magkasabay. Dinner. Sa kanila dinner. Sabay sila dinner. Sabi pa ng asawa ko, ba't pag kumakain ka ng Filipino food daw kuno, dami daw yung kain ko. Pag American food daw, hindi daw masyado. Sabi ko, walang katulad ang mga Filipino na pagkain. Hindi yan maisang tabi ko lang. Sarap yan. Kakaiba yung pagkain namin. May halong pagmamahal. Huh? Hindi nyo pala nakikita yung biyanan ko palagi. Kasi andun siya sa kwarto, tulog. Kasi kahit kung andito, kahit saan siya upo, natutulog. So, doon siya sa kwarto niya, tulog palagi. Pagkatapos akong kumain, naglalaro ako, guys. And then also, Here, laptop on my lap. Natutulog silang lahat as in. Yan si Roxy. Yan si Habsi Bag. Misty andon. Dimples right here. Biyanan ko andon sa kwarto niya. Ako lang talaga ang gising. Nag-i-edit ako, naglalaro din ako. At saka, yun lang. Dry yung lips ko eh. Tulog. Habs. Habs. Habsi Bag. Tingam. Hab, let's go. Inano niya yung tainga niya. Narinig niya ako. Ito, tignan niyo tong isa. Tulog din. Roxy, let's go. Tulog. Mga puyat. Misty doon. Tignan niyo yan. Misty. Nanonood din ako ng The Talk Show. Sinabi ko lang guys na I think Dada's here. Yan yung dalawa. I think wala pa oy. I think he's not here yet. Right here, come. I think he's not here yet. He'll be here soon. He'll be here soon. He'll be here soon. He'll be here very soon. He'll be here. Give me your tail. Give me your tail. Dada's here. Give me your tail. Huh. Where is Dada? Look who's coming. you know who's coming too. Seriously, Bug. You guys are cute too. You are very smart little bug. You're very smart little bug. Oh, you are my bug. Nagluluto pala ako guys ng ano. Tawag nito, lamb, Indian lamb, at saka itong frozen vegetables. Ano lang siya, ini-steam ko lang, lagyan ko ng asin, pepper, and onion and garlic powder. Onion and garlic powder. Who is it? Dada. Who is it? Dada? Hello. Kanan. Han. He's waiting for you to hug. You do like this.
Little man. I know, Mr. Monkey.
Ala. Oh my God, and he loves you, hon. He loves you, baby. Look at it. He loves you. Oh my goodness. No, man. You're so cute. He loves you, hon. Hon, put him down, honey. Put him down. Honey.
I went down, hon. He obviously didn't want to go down. You were wrong.
Can you put him down? Hams, get down.
No, leave him.
Get down.
Leave him.
Ay, naku, hon. Hon. He's so spoiled. Look at Misty's outside.
You want to let the monkey in?
Monkey Kang.
Okay.
Kisses.
Oh,
Kisses.
No, wait. Okay, now you're being squishy.
Okay.
Oh, jeez. Down, Missy Monkey.
I'm gonna eat this. You have more? What the heck? Oh, what's my camera? Put it over there in the table. Next.
Closed caption sponsorship for Inside Edition is brought to you by
Why is it heavy? Why is it heavy?
quality you'd expect from Gillette.
Huh?
At a price you would. The new Gillette 3 and Gillette 5. Available
Okay, it's
now
not
for
those.
$7.99. Gillette
It's heavy.
$2
Did you wrap this? And I think somebody wrapped it for you.
No, somebody else needs it.
Because it really looks good wrapped.
Yes, beans. Bush's beans, and beans, and beans. I usually wrap better. There's more Inside Edition to come. Bennington's been part of American pastimes. As simple as a plastic bat and a bare spot for home plate. But pastimes should include when your seed doesn't take root. It's not you. You're using the wrong seed. Pennington wants to complete with superior seed, wood mulch, and fertilizer. Repairs bare spots in 2 weeks or less.
You're gonna give me a box full of cards.
Don't worry about is what to use is home plate. Pennington, honest green.
Next, E.T. Beyonce and Jay-Z's marriage milestone.
Too wonderful for it to be real.
Inside the Congress decade.
Think you'll be good looking, good. Look
One
at it,
cigarette
say the
is
movie
one too many.
Finally, today, the anniversary of Dr. King's death has inspired a renewed dedication to the values he lived.
The hotel in Memphis where he was assassinated is now a civil rights
That's a
museum.
roll, but I think. Yeah, that's enough.
This is not a cloth, huh? Look, this is something else. What is this? Why is it flammable?
On fire, we could try to close.
Thanks for watching.
Did you order this online? What is this?
John Elliott's forecast and the CBS News Weather Team on CBS 2 News.
Watch your slice your
Jay-Z's marriage milestone. Why, I said
Hello, hon. What? Hon.
Meghan Markle didn't attend the Easter church service with the Queen. And from Tostitos to Tiara.
Naku. It's a laptop, boy.
Yeah, I thought it was specifically had to be able to play Rules of Survival.
Did you know?
So they had to go online and check the specs to make sure.
Speak. What is speak?
They had to spec out what the game needs.
I told him I really wanted the i7. I would have liked the i9, but there's really not many of those out
Hello,
yet.
hon. Ay.
That's just very new.
Thanks, hon.
Well, now you gotta see if you can download the game and be able to play it on there.
Hello, hon. It's HP. What does that mean?
Hewlett Packard.
Huh?
Hewlett Packard.
This was a stronger computer for mine.
Hello, hon. Are you
It was either this one or the Dell, but this was a little stronger than the Dell. The Dell was an i5. This was an i7. More computing power. No more of this felt done.
I told him, I said, look, her Mac won't do it. The iPad won't do it. The only thing she can do it with is a stupid phone, so.
Did they know why I want games? Just flip the laptop. Did you tell them?
Yeah, I told her, just for the game.
Yeah, but I know. But did they?
That's why they
that's
said, oh, you
stupid.
don't need that. You can do this one. I said, this is a lot cheaper. I said, I don't like it. You gotta plug it in.
And your letters are going to be burnt down before you take a picture of it.
Mom, we have to blow it
If you want,
together.
if you want to take a picture of your
We have to
letters.
blow it together because it's your birthday last week. You now? Thank you.
Make your wish.
Thank you, hon.
Yeah, make your
It's my
wishes.
first blowing candle. My first time.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's
Okay.
fun. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that was easy.
Good.
I want a coffee to go with their birthday cake.
Thank hon. Are you
I
not?
want coffee with my birthday.
How about you, Ryan? You want a coffee with your birthday cake?
No, I don't want
You want a
coffee.
wine with it? You want a margarita with it?
Thank you. Click that.
Yeah. Well, because you were supposed to be occupied.
Because
I figured that would take you long enough to deal with that crap.
But I heard you click, click, click.
You
And your nosiness
you
got the best of
surprised
you.
him instead of him surprising you.
It was her nosiness got the
He
best
was,
of you.
he was shocked. Hi, Tom.
Ay.
Happily ever after. It's nice, hon. Where did you get that wrapping thing?
I sat home and drew it myself.
Yeah, but where did you get it?
What's it say?
Happily
This is
ever
happily
after.
ever after.
Ah, this is the Carville. I told you I
good.
like Carville. Hala, it's breaking, man.
Look. Oh, the wax? Yeah.
No, the cake is melting.
Well, it's been sitting out there
It's
for
the
a while.
chocolate around the bottom.
This is Carville.
Yeah.
I told
Ice cream
you.
cake.
Yeah, I told you that Carville is good. Look at guys. That's my first time blowing candle. This is an early birthday, hun.
Yeah. Because I'll be headed back tomorrow and it will be like rush. So. You won't be here for your birthday, but you're not gonna birthday cake at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
You have plate over there.
got a birthday cake for her and mom.
How many years have you known? 24. What is it? 24. 24?
34.
24.
24, your ass.
Now,
Andrew said happy birthday, and you're lying turd.
I'm 24. I'm just lying that you will marry me.
You said you're supposed to just say 29 and stay there.
she lied to you on your marriage.
Do not even think you could cut a piece that big for me. That is not happening.
Is she coming for a cake?
She said, are you coming for a cake? She said, alright, put the straws away. I didn't realize MaryAnn never had a birthday cake before. I don't know. Never happened. So she never got to blow out candles. You what? I guess not.
Hi guys, oh my god guys, ano na guys, 10:44 na ng gabi, alas 11 na hapit, malapit ng mag 11, and nag-ano lang ako guys, nag-download ng laro sa yung PC, sa binili ni Tami, as in guys, na-surprise talaga ako guys, sa birthday gift ng asawa ko ay. Kasi guys, magsiseryoso na ako sa gaming. Yung gaming, itong vlogging ko, hindi ko naman siya abandonahin. Ano lang siya. Okay, I'm gonna bring my laptop. Nanonood ako ng news guys. Sa New York, grabe yung hangin ngayon guys. Grabe. Sobrang lakas. Pati yung signpost sa Manhattan na sobrang laki at saka ano na natumba. Tatapusin ko na tong vlog. Alas 11 na guys. Sakit ang ulo guys. Ay naku, sakit. So, i-end na ko ng vlog. Yung isa busy dyan ay. At saka, na-surprise talaga ako sa bigay ng asawa ko. As in. Hindi ko talaga inaasahan yun as in. So, sa gaming kasi yun. But anyway, good night guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Good night guys. Si Bayan. Bye. Bye-bye. Oh, anyway. Yung dalawang aso ko ay tignan nyo. Tapos na? Misty, you eat it all? Done? Huh? Done? Ay, naku, you're a piggy pig.